Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will create beautiful and delicious composition of fresh veggies, herbs and grilled chicken. I would like to start the show with presentation of all ingredients that we need to make this super tasty dish. Here we have one of the most important components, beautiful tomatoes. Aren't they beautiful? Sure they are. Look at this. These small balls, this is also zucchini. Okay, time to start action. Extra virgin olive oil goes on the frying pan. Chopped tomatoes goes on the pan. Yes, they go. Tomatoes are cooking now 10 minutes. I will add herbs. Sage, rosemary, thyme, plus basil. Look at this beautiful basil. Okay, now let's chop it a little bit. Tomatoes are ready. Now, to make a pulp, you need strainer or colander. I have something like this. Let's go. Okay. It must be really smooth, silky. This pulp is extremely delicious. Okay, now extra virgin olive oil, peppers and onion goes on the pan. Peppers and onion looks nice. Time for zucchini. Tomato pulp goes in. Okay, time to connect all ingredients. Two cloves of garlic. salt, freshly ground pepper, one of the biggest treasures in the garden, fresh parsley, amigos, this is my version of chicken stew. I know it is little like a fusion cuisine or even confusion cuisine, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. Just land it on the table.